On an iPhone, I'm going to show how to turn on or off either mobile data, cellular, or Wi-Fi, and then do a speed test to see which one is better. You swipe down from the upper right, and the blue with the radio waves is my Wi-Fi signal. The green with the bars is my cell signal. So if I just tap on this whole square, I get more details. I will turn off the Wi-Fi, so I am just using my cellular data, and we'll do a speed test. I just Google for speed test and run speed test. So this is testing the speed of my cellular connection, my mobile data. I am using US Mobile as my cell service provider on this phone. Pretty good. I want you to notice at the top of the screen, you see the 4 bars with 3 of them black. That is showing my signal. And then if I swipe down over on the left side, you see those same signal bars and 5G. And in Chinese characters is actually the service provider here in Taiwan that is providing that service. Now I'm going to turn off the cellular and turn on the Wi-Fi. And I want it to be attached to the ship's main Wi-Fi, which is Odyssey Residence. And I will do another speed test. Pretty good. And notice the icon at the top is just those radio waves, and it says Changhua Telecom Wi-Fi, meaning the Wi-Fi on board the ship is being supplied by the local Changhua Telecom.